To another video on this channel. So this video I'm going to show you how to bypass Twitter ban in Nigeria. So you can see this morning, you can see YouTube, every other sites are working. And by the way, if you've not subscribed, please click to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So Facebook, every other sites are working, but the Twitter is not working right now, and that's because the Nigerian government, they've decided to ban Twitter. They ordered all the ISP, the internet service providers, to block access to Twitter. So now with your ISP, Glow or whatever, you won't be able to access Twitter. So there's a way around it, and that's by using a virtual private network. And first of all, let's go on mobile. So whether you're using Android or iOS, and let's try and if you go to those three dots here, click on it, and let's try go to settings and privacy, and let's turn off the notification. I mean the location, privacy and safety, and then scroll down and let's look for location and make sure the precise location is turned off. This will enable you to be able to access Twitter, even though some of the links you won't be able to see the links, but you'll be able to browse through all the all the tweets and all that. So let's click on any of this link, and now you can see where the ISP, the blog issue, it's you won't be able to access even if you reload, and that's because Twitter has been banned. So what you need to do is you go to your Google Play Store, of course, the iOS, go to the iOS store, and then in your search, just type in VPN. And any of these VPN, any one of them will work. Just install any one of them. I have three, so I have this USA VPN that installed. I have the pro version for that. I also have this super VPN. So I'm going to demonstrate how to use any of the two. Click on that, install, and then open. So when you open it, all you need to do is one click and just click on continue and connect, and you'll be connected to USA. If you're using this other one, click on open, and you can see you can just click on connect. And why I love this other one is it has lots of locations in it, many locations in USA. So any one of them, just click to connect. And now if we go back to our Twitter app, click on reload, you will now discover that now we can visit the Guardian link, and now you see how to actually bypass that ban. So it's the only way for you to be able to access Twitter. Now you can access Twitter with your ISP. So your virtual private network enables you to be able, it creates like a tunnel between your device and then the internet. So it looks like you're actually browsing from any of the location in the VPN. So that's how to do that on mobile. So your app, your iOS or Android, just do that, and now you can see all this other network. So if you go to PC, I don't want you to use VPN. Instead, find the Epic browser. So the Epic browser has a inbuilt VPN. So just download it. Go to the download Epic VPN now. It's actually like a modified version of the Google Chrome. So when you log in, when you click, just go to these three dots and go to more tools, and then go to extensions. So in the extensions, click on this Epic Web Store, and then you'll be able to see all these extensions. So it has this encrypted proxy VPN service. Just click on install. Now it's installed already, and then you can see it on the top side, and then you can turn it on, and you can choose any of this location, anywhere you want to seem to be browsing from. And by the way, if you're working on as a freelancer, you can use this Epic browser to to access Fiverr and change your location. So now if we go to twitter.com, now you can see, let's try and log in. I'm going to log in, and then it's going to tell me to verify my identity, and that's because I'm changing location and all that. Just type in your number that you, and then click on submit. Now I can access Twitter fine on my PC using the Epic browser. I don't have to use a VPN because the Epic browser has inbuilt VPN, so you don't have to install VPN on your PC. So that's how to bypass all this stupid regulation by the government. Whatever they do, we always find a way around it. And then if you go back to this other one using the ISP, you can see I still cannot access Twitter. So That's how to bypass Twitter, whether you're using Android or you're using iOS or your PC. Just click on your VPN and install. So I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye bye.